What comes standard with the Vivax Metrotech VM-560 kit? Hi, my name is Royce Kemp with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and today we're going to go over the VM-560 kit. Here we have the standard VM-560 kit, and in that kit you're going to receive this nice carry bag with a shoulder strap, the VM-560 receiver, the VM-560 transmitter, conductive leads with large clips, and a grounding rod, USB cable, a user guide, and the alkaline batteries used to operate this kit. This is what you receive when you purchase a Vivax Metrotech VM-560 kit.